The US dollar is blasting higher. Euro and GBP are tanking. What is up with that? Hi, this is Coach Victor here at Safehouse, and today I want to talk to you about 3 key aspects that you need to keep in mind when looking at these assets. Let's get cooking.
Before you continue, please pause the video and read this trade disclaimer. None of the information contained here is financial advice. This is only for educational purposes.
All right. Here's the Euro USD chart on Owanda. Oh my goodness. As the dollar blasts higher, this tanks. And so does GBP. Yeah, they go inversely correlated to the dollar. Sometimes they'll do crazy things and contradict each other, but that's the usual movement that you can follow on these charts. Now, this is high time frame. This is a daily candles, so daily time frame chart, and you can see that we have quite a nice chunk of data since November until now. Now, this rotation from up here to down to this area is very, very interesting, and it's been very nice. And now the question is, it just like a few moments ago hit that weekly level. So that weekly level, that's one of the first things that I want to give away in this video. It's an area of confluence or conjunction of different factors coming together that they all are pointing in the same direction. Key aspect number 2, in my opinion, when looking at these assets, and specifically the euro, because it's a very nice example for it, is liquidity. This was a very important liquidity run that just took place or is taking place on this pair. We've been covering this in detail in the premium Vanguard section. There we can give real-time insights about things like this already in advance as they start to form, and then follow them as that comes through. So today, during the New York session, we will have a live trading session for the premium members. You can grab your 2-week free trial and get in on the action. That's coming very soon during the New York session. And we will look exactly at assets like this one that are reaching very important levels on the low time frames to see if we can get maybe a little scalp in, perhaps a bit of a day trade in, and of course, in this case, possibly a swing trade. So that was key aspect number 2. Key aspect number 3 is, of course, time. Time. You always have to keep in mind the time. What are the targets for your possible trade setups? Yeah, where are you heading with this in terms of time? Is it just a short trade that you want to take for a few minutes? Are you aiming for a few hours for a day trade or a swing trade? So these are aspects that we consider as very, very important, and I think you should too. Of course, as usual, this is not financial advice. This is only for educational purposes. You should do whatever you want with your capital, and you have to make your own decisions. At the point of the whole thing of you learning how to use technical analysis. So if you like what you see, please hit the like and subscribe button. That does help us out a lot. And remember, the key 3 takeaway messages are: first, the conjunction of several factors coming together. 2, second, liquidity, always very, very important. Don't forget about that. Number 3, time. Time is the most important thing. You can have the perfect area, the perfect level, everything coming together, but the timing is wrong. So you always have to consider that factor as well. Thank you very much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed today's content. And if you want some more, then just go ahead and join us on the Vanguard section, and I'll see you in the live trading session later. Take care. Bye-bye.
Elevate your mastery in trading. Join the Safehouse Vanguard today.